Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Going faceless keeps your identity private while still growing an audience. Many creators prefer anonymity for safety and creative focus. Faceless shorts can still earn ad revenue and sponsorships over time. Plan each short for the platform format specifically. Keep duration between 15 and 60 seconds for best reach and indexing. Use a vertical 9/16 frame for mobile-first viewing and higher completion rates. Start with a 3-second hook to stop scrolling. Maintain a consistent visual and audio style to build recognition quickly. Shoot with a vertical 9/16 frame at 30 frames per second for smooth playback. Collect 3 to 5 short clips and plan jump cuts for faster pacing. Use B-roll footage, close-ups, and hands-only shots to replace facial footage. Add clear text overlays to communicate key points without voice or face. Use screen recordings when demonstrating apps or tutorials for clarity. Crop and scale carefully to keep important elements centered in the 9/16 frame. Export high bitrate video for crisp playback on mobile devices. Record a clean voiceover or use AI narration when you prefer anonymity. Layer royalty-free music at -12 dB under speech for consistent volume and clarity. Add subtitles and accurate captions to improve engagement and accessibility. Edit with quick cuts, tempo changes, and visual hooks every 3 to 5 seconds. Optimize metadata. Strong title, a concise description, and 3 focused tags or keywords. Use a vertical 9/16 thumbnail and schedule uploads at audience peak times. Monitor analytics and iterate based on.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.